So guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel.
Who do we have here?
Long time no see.
Yeah, right? Miss Hollywood over here.
Shoot.
How's it going?
It's going great.
What's new?
Just got home from LA. Was out there for a week. And yeah, I'm back in Vegas and I'm not happy about it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think of our
She's thick.
She's thick?
She's thick.
That's what we were saying. Yeah.
No, it's actually really cool.
What color do you think we're doing the interior?
I already know.
Oh, yeah.
I already
shit.
know. I already know this.
What about paint?
I already know that too.
Damn it.
I don't know if I should be saying it, so that's what I said.
No, they know. They know. We told them.
Okay, yeah. Those are like two of my favorite colors together.
You think it'll go good on this?
Yeah.
Sweet. All right, move out the way, Gigi.
Sorry.
Robson.
Yeah, I'm the star of this show. What's up, guys?
You win it.
Guys, so this is actually gonna be really easy. I told Mario we're gonna get this done today. It's literally all Phillips screws, the entire car. Like Phillips and an 11mm socket. So this is gonna be like an hour.
All right, update. We are about, what, 30 minutes in now?
Yeah, definitely.
Got 3 out of the 4 seats out. All the door panels have been removed. And what else?
Door cards, seats, obviously.
I just said all that. So
Okay.
now what?
I wasn't listening. We're still just gonna pull out all this, the headliner stuff, and then the stuff over the transmission tunnel here, center console.
Completely gutting it.
Just completely gutting it. And
no bowling.
No remorse. No remorse, no mercy. Ah!
What?
That was so...
You're such a... If there was an award for worst acting, it'd for sure go to you.
That was so bad. I was like, Mario! Ah!
I'm putting that in there for sure.
Please don't. What the f is this?
Hey.
It looks like a TV projector.
What the frick is this?
It does actually.
Doesn't it?
It says Monsoon.
It's probably the amp for the speakers.
I think you're right.
Yeah.
That's some prime 90s technology right there.
Yeah, it is. You know, it's funny, all this stuff probably back in 2001 was like, you were the baller.
You were balling out with
You had one of these in 2001 with speakers, bro, and a deck? Oh my gosh.
Fucking play 12 CDs
Show them
at
the deck,
once.
show them the deck. I can't reach that.
Look at,
Look at that deck.
look at that. You were balling out in like 1991 or whatever.
12 CD changer.
12 CDs on deck.
Endless possibility of your 48 songs.
Didn't even have
Put
to
it on
worry
shuffle.
about it.
Get the seatbelt thing.
Hey, you shake it more than twice, you're playing with it.
It's true.
That's just facts.
Yeet. Why are you throwing things like you own it? Do you own this car?
You got me.
Get the
Out of here!
That's fine!
You can't!
That's fine!
Oh,
Yes. Oh, I got you, bro.
Mario and I have been playing this stupid game where like you go like this, right? And he is up 5 on me, so I have to buy him lunch.
Every 5 you go up on someone, you have to buy them
him
lunch.
I'm scared don't do it again.
Shit!
Uh-oh.
We made an oopsie.
Don't stab her in the head.
Okay, obviously don't pull from there.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go. So guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Get your Robson / Hummer chair.
Oh no.
Robson not included. So can I drive this thing? And you stand on there and I drive it?
Have you ever driven one?
Nope.
Well, I definitely won't stand on it. I would definitely let you drive it though.
I don't know if it's a good idea. Is this really a good idea?
Probably not. Probably gonna get yelled at for this one, but
They have to see it.
I'm kind of scared.
Go for it.
Should I do it?
All right, everyone, watch out. First time driver.
What is this? What is this? What are these things?
all right.
Is that a clutch?
Kind of.
I'm not doing this.
Do it.
No, I'm
Send it.
scared. Can I just make that thing go up and down? Okay, foot
You
on
have to
brake.
turn it on first. Key.
It's not push to start.
Alright, what do these things do?
Up.
Oh my god, get on it. Get on it.
Very demanding.
Get on it. Yeah! What does this do? I'm scared.
That one doesn't do anything.
So if you go like this,
No, 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 no! Stop!
hit the gas.
No! Yeah! We skirted! Get on it! Oh my god!
This is gonna end so poorly.
Simba!
Watch your head.
Alright, how do I stop this?
Forward.
I don't want to go. Okay.
You gotta park it.
Wait. How do you.
There you go. All right, stop, 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 stop.
Put the things on the ground.
Now what?
Right lever.
This one?
Yep.
No, wait.
Down. Or up, 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 up. There you go. Cool. And then pull that back to put it in park. And then you just turn it off.
Oh, hold on.
Ah.
So, that was your first time.
That was pretty fun. I could wreck a lot of things with this bad boy.
True. Very true. All right, Robson.
What's up?
ETA.
My heart rate's still coming down from almost dying at the hands of Gigi on the forklift. But probably ETA. I honestly don't know. The first half was pretty quick, but like I said earlier, there might be some stuff underneath that's gonna slow us down. But just more screws.
Hey guys, it was nice seeing you all, but it is time for me to head out. So I will see you guys soon.